The Allahabad High Court recently delivered a significant judgment in a maintenance case involving a judge's wife. This case, steeped in the complexities of marital discord and legal battles, throws light on the plight of women seeking financial support after separation. This essay delves into the details of the case, highlighting the High Court's intervention in ensuring justice for the aggrieved wife. The story began in 2002 with the couple's marriage under Muslim rites. They welcomed 4 children into their lives over the years. However, this seemingly happy family portrait hid a darker reality. Cracks began to appear in the marriage, eventually leading to a bitter separation. The wife, alleging years of harassment, cruelty, and dowry demands, was forced to leave her matrimonial home in 2013. Following this, the couple underwent a divorce, marking the end of their once shared life. The wife, now responsible for her well-being, sought financial support from her former husband. This marked the beginning of a long and arduous legal battle. The husband, a judicial officer, held a position of significant authority and respect within the legal system. His career, spanning over 2 decades, began in 2001 when he joined the judicial service as a civil judge. Over the years, he climbed the ranks, eventually reaching the esteemed position of a special judge. His career trajectory spoke volumes of his legal acumen and experience. He was well versed in the intricacies of the law and commanded respect within the courtroom. This background, however, would become a point of contention in the maintenance case. The wife alleged that her husband, using his knowledge of the legal system to his advantage, was deliberately prolonging the case and evading his financial obligations. The husband's position as a judicial officer added a layer of complexity to the case. It raised questions about potential bias and the power dynamics within the legal system. The wife, having endured years of alleged mistreatment, found herself in a vulnerable position after the separation. She filed for maintenance from her former husband, seeking financial support to rebuild her life. The family court, after hearing her plea, passed an order in 2023. The court granted her a monthly maintenance of 20,000 rupees. This amount, however, proved to be insufficient for the wife and her children. She argued that the family court had failed to accurately assess her husband's income, thereby delivering an inadequate order. She alleged that her husband, given his senior position as a special judge, earned a substantial income that was not reflected in the court's assessment. The wife's allegations painted a picture of financial distress and a legal system that seemed to fail her. She decided to appeal the family court's decision, taking her case to the Allahabad High Court. Section 4. Allahabad High Court's intervention, a rebuke and a remedy. The Allahabad High Court, known for its commitment to justice, took up the wife's appeal in 2024. Justice Vinod Diwakar, presiding over the case, meticulously reviewed the details and heard arguments from both sides. The High Court was particularly critical of the family court's handling of the case. Justice Diwakar, in his observations, expressed concern over the family court's failure to accurately determine the husband's income. The family court had, according to the High Court, erroneously considered the husband's salary as that of an entry-level judicial officer, disregarding his years of service and senior position. This miscalculation, the High Court noted, resulted in an inadequate maintenance order that failed to meet the needs of the wife and children. Furthermore, the High Court expressed its disapproval of the husband's conduct throughout the legal proceedings. It was viewed as an attempt to exploit the legal system and delay the provision of financial support to his former wife. The High Court's observations sent a strong message against the misuse of legal knowledge and power imbalances within marital disputes. Section 5. Setting a precedent, implications for future maintenance cases. The Allahabad High Court, in its final judgment, ordered the husband to pay a revised maintenance amount. He was directed to pay 20,000 rupees per month, starting from the initial application date until August 16, 2019. From August 17, 2019, onwards, he was ordered to pay 30,000 rupees per month. The court also directed him to clear all pending arrears and bear the litigation costs of 50,000 rupees incurred by his former wife. This ruling was a significant victory for the wife, providing her with much-needed financial relief. Moreover, it set a crucial precedent in maintenance cases, particularly those involving discrepancies in income assessment and the misuse of legal expertise. The Allahabad High Court's intervention serves as a reminder that the legal system should protect the vulnerable and ensure equitable outcomes in marital disputes. This case underscores the importance of judicial diligence in maintenance cases, emphasizing the need for accurate income assessments and fair treatment, regardless of the party's social standing. The Allahabad High Court's bold stance serves as a beacon of hope for women navigating the often complex legal battles for financial independence.